Welcome back to Tech Pulse News. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of high-performance PC building, and we're not holding back. We're talking top-of-the-line components, sleek aesthetics, and enough power to melt your face off, metaphorically speaking, of course. Our weapon of choice? The mighty AMD Ryzen 9 9050X. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creation wizard, or just a tech enthusiast who demands the absolute best, this build is engineered to deliver jaw-dropping performance. So buckle up, grab your screwdrivers, and let's get this build underway. Alright folks, let's talk about the star of the show, the AMD Ryzen 9 9050X. This CPU is an absolute monster, boasting 16 cores and 32 threads of pure processing power. Trust me, this thing laughs in the face of multitasking. You can have 100 tabs open while streaming your gameplay and rendering a 3D model in the background, and it'll still be begging for more. With a base clock of 3.5 GHz and a boost clock of up to 5.0 GHz, this CPU delivers blazing fast performance across the board. We're talking buttery smooth frame rates, lightning fast rendering times, and enough horsepower to handle even the most demanding applications you can throw at it. This is the brain of our operation, and let me tell you, it's one smart cookie. Now, every hero needs a sidekick. And for our Ryzen 9 9050X, that sidekick is the MSI Pro B650MP motherboard. This bad boy is the foundation of our build. And trust me, it's built to last. We're talking about a micro ATX board that's packed with features and offers incredible future-proofing. With support for PCIe 4.0 and DDR5 memory, this motherboard is ready for whatever the future of PC gaming throws at it. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of predicting the future, it's ensuring you're ready for it. Plus, the sleek black design just screams, I mean business. Now, let's talk graphics. What good is a super-powered CPU if you can't render those pixels in all their glory? That's where the Gigabyte Gaming OC Radeon RX 7600 comes in. This GPU is a beast in its own right, perfectly paired with our Ryzen 9 9050X to deliver an unforgettable gaming experience. We're talking smooth, tear-free gameplay at 1080p resolution, with all the bells and whistles turned up to 11. And the best part? It won't break the bank. This GPU offers incredible performance for its price, making it the perfect choice for budget-conscious gamers who don't want to compromise on quality. Okay, time to give our build some brains, or at least the next best thing, RAM. We're going with 16 gigabytes of Team Group Elite RAM. Now, you might be thinking, is 16 gigabytes enough in this day and age? And the answer is a resounding yes. For most gamers and productivity users, 16 gigabytes is more than enough to handle your daily tasks. But hey, if you're planning on editing 8K videos while simultaneously running a simulation of the entire universe, well, this motherboard supports up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, so you can go wild. But for most of us mortals, 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot. Think of it as the perfect amount of caffeine to keep your PC running smoothly without jittering out. Let's face it, nobody likes waiting around for their computer to catch up. That's why we're equipping our build with the Kingston NV2 1TB M2 SSD. This drive is all about speed. We're talking lightning-fast read and write speeds that will make your old hard drive feel like it's stuck in molasses. With this SSD, you'll experience boot times that are so fast, you'll blink and miss them. And loading times for your games and applications? Forget about it. They'll be a thing of the past. Trust me, once you go SSD, you'll never go back. Now, with all this power comes a lot of heat. And just like you wouldn't want to run a marathon in a snowsuit, our CPU needs a way to stay cool under pressure. That's where the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE comes in. This cooler is a beast, but in a good way. It's incredibly efficient at dissipating heat, keeping our Ryzen 9950X running at its best, even when you're pushing it to the limit. And the best part? It does all of this while remaining whisper quiet. You won't even know it's there, except for the fact that your PC will be running cool as a cucumber. Every superhero needs a source of power, and our build is no exception. That's why we're going with the MSI Mag A550BN. This power supply is the unsung hero of our build, pumping out a steady and reliable 550 watts of power to keep all our components running smoothly. It's like the heart of our operation, pumping lifeblood, or should I say electricity, into every corner of our system. Plus, it's 80+ bronze certified, which means it's energy efficient, saving you money on your electricity bill in the long run. Finally, we need a place to put all these amazing components. And for that, we're going with the Corsair 3000D Airflow ATX mid-tower case. This case is like the Batcave of PC cases, sleek, stylish, and built for performance. With its excellent airflow design, it'll keep all our components cool and happy, even during those intense gaming sessions. Plus, it has plenty of space to accommodate all our hardware, with room to spare for future upgrades. Because let's face it, no PC build is ever truly finished. And there you have it, folks. A powerful, efficient, and downright sexy PC build, all centered around the incredible AMD Ryzen 9950X. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA games, streaming your gameplay to legions of adoring fans, or editing 4K videos like a pro, this setup will handle it all without breaking a sweat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Pulse News and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future builds. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.